In this video, I will show you how to subtract data in Google Sheets, so let's get started with the video process. In this table, we have 4 columns. First column is the name, and the second column is the income, the third column is the cost, and the fourth is the profit. Income subtracted by cost is the profit. So let's do it with a formula in Google Sheet. Equals to sum, parenthesis, B2 minus sign, C2, parenthesis. And done, we have the profit, which is the result for this first row. Similarly, to calculate the profit of each row, in this fourth column, all we need to do is copy this first cell result and drag the cell across the column. And done, we have the subtracted results for the entire column. With this we are done with the subtraction in Google Sheets. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.